Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade juice at home. First, gather your ingredients. About 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. Make sure your lemons are ripe for the best flavor. You'll also need some basic kitchen tools like a juicer, a large pitcher, and a fine mesh strainer to remove pulp. Next, cut your lemons in half and use your juicer to extract approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Strain the juice to remove any seeds or excessive pulp. For the simple syrup, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water in a small saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a clear syrup. Now, pour the fresh lemon juice and the cooled simple syrup into your large pitcher. Add the remaining 3 cups of cold water. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are well combined. Taste your lemonade and adjust the sweetness or tartness by adding more sugar syrup or a splash more lemon juice if needed. Then, chill it for at least 30 minutes. Finally, pour your perfectly chilled homemade lemonade over ice in your favorite glasses. For an extra touch, garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice, a few berries, or a sprig of mint. This refreshing drink is perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your delicious, freshly made lemonade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.